And we're ready. We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our Average Wild Experience.
Hey guys, so we are here. We just parked. We are starting in it's the Maple Grange Community Park, and the trail is called the Stairway to Heaven and Pochunk Valley, and we start out on the Appalachian Trail actually. So we kind of parked. There's not much of a parking lot here. It's just kind of room for like 25-30 cars on the side of a road. But we are here. We're excited. It's about 7.5 miles out and back total. And with about 1,200 feet of elevation gain. So we are getting ready to start. Luna is rip-roaring and ready to go, right girl? Right? Beautiful weather, supposed to be a high of 80, but we will see. Should be a good hike.
Oh good. 0.2 miles and we already found mud.
Oh, so muddy.
Goodness gracious, dog.
But so far we're in like marshes right now, which is why she's so muddy. But so far it's been pretty cool. This boardwalk kind of goes through like this marshland. It's pretty awesome.
Hey Lou, come on up. Thank you. So we're coming up to a suspension bridge, but we did see a picture of this and it looked really cool from the pictures. So we've left the boardwalks. We've traded up for rocky terrain in the woods.
With bugs.
With lots of bugs. Bring bug spray. We didn't bring bug spray. But learn from us. Bring your own. Saw a chipmunk. Oh. Guys, they have chipmunks in New Jersey too.
There went. Right up the tree.
Struck out in New York twice. Struck out in Jersey. You and chipmunks don't get along, do they? She can't get us chipmunks.
I don't
That's right. I said it. Shots fired, Luna.
So we're basically entering a cow pasture at this point. So you can see that the barbed wire is here. And there can be cows because it's like a farm up there. So we have hikers with an exclamation point. Do not approach the cow.
What if our dog acts like a cow and eats the grass? Can we approach our cow?
Not a cow. Come.
Luna, come. Good girl. So we're just in a cow pasture, like Megan said. I can honestly say I've never hiked through a cow pasture. I've walked through my fair share if you help me. 3.5 miles in, and we're still going up. They really did save all the elevation to the end. .86 and still going upwards. The last hill. All the sweat for this. Let's see how it is.
We made it.
We made it.
What do you think?
It's really beautiful. Definitely worth all the sweat.
What about all the stairs?
That was a lot. But it's worth it. Definitely worth it. Highly
See,
recommend.
there's a decent amount of people here. See this panoramic view. Got some farms down there. Continues up this way a little bit. It's very pretty though.
It's too short.
Okay, magic question. Do you recommend this hike?
Yes. Bring lots of water.
Bring lots of water. There you go. Heard it from the master.
So we're just chilling here,
Hanging out.
hanging out. Lulu's on my lap.
Enjoying the views, getting some breeze.
Breeze feels absolutely wonderful. With this view, you just can't stop looking at it. Like the longer you look, the more you see.
It's starting to get really busy here though.
It is.
So I suggest, it's only what, 10:20 in the morning?
Mm-hmm.
So I suggest starting earlier than later because obviously more people. It's going to be hectic kind of getting down.
Hi.
Ah, the mud.
Clearly Luna had fun. She's all muddy.
that's why she rides in the bed of the truck.
So we are pretty much back at the truck. We are the last steps of the boardwalk here. I think it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
A lot of fun.
Very busy, like we said. So, 2 things. 1, bring water,
Yes.
Brian. 2, come early.
Come early.
Because there's even more people up ahead coming towards us now. So, it's busy. People are just starting now. Like, there's plenty of time to do this hike, but we work with her tail just dripping. Oh my gosh.
She got even more wet. Actually, that kind of worked a little bit.
I don't think so.
It's still mud, but I
think
think it's a little less mud.
I think it made it worse. Oh,
But
boy.
definitely a lot of
Bath
fun. We are at, what's our miles?
7.87, so by the time we get out to the truck, it'll probably be a little
about
over 8.
Yeah.
About 8. So not bad.